Hey guys, we're back. Oh, anyways, we're back. We're gonna do the Diet Coke challenge.
Which one is it?
No burp challenge. No burp.
Yeah.
No burp challenge. It's was in the comment of that we got the other day from Triva. Thank you. You know who you are.
Yeah, you know who you are.
It's your fault we're doing this. So let's get this thing started because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since this morning. So the only thing going in my stomach is diet.
You can't burp. Last one to burp wins. Last one to burp wins.
Well, I'm burping first.
Can I have the rest of the soda with my lunch? Okay. We start on the count of 3.
Don't burp.
Tada.
Cheers. Okay, ready?
So we can chug it if you, or
Slow strategy?
Slow strategy. But you gotta keep your burp down.
Okay.
This guy can burp on command.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. This is going to you can throw it after all. Fuck. I'll take.
Every time I hear guy. I know I went slow.
Don't burp. I saw that guy doing this. He was rubbing his chest.
Can I rub your chest?
You want to rub my chest?
I can't fucking hold this shit.
Hold it, hold it.
I'm trying to hold it. It's right here. Has anybody successfully done this?
Not that I heard of.
It's like drinking soda with like
Drinking it?
brush your teeth.
Ah.
What are you drinking right now? Should I hold it inside?
Oh.
I know you. So right here.
Let me get where I'm at.
Yeah, when you slam it, it kind of pushes it. Just like.
I'm for this.
Ow. Fuck. Ow.
Oh. Ah.
Oh, shit.
Ow.
Oh. Think no burp thoughts.
I can't laugh, dude. Oh shit.
He's not drinking it. I have to dump it on himself.
This is a little bit.
I feel like my eyeballs are about to pop out.
I'm trying to push that the other way. It's okay. It's left you.
It's okay, man. I'm gonna burp you.
No. Oh.
Ow.
This fucking hurts. Fuck yeah. Can you sit down? It's actually better. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Ah. Oh, my eyes are watering.
Mine's got water.
I'm out. Fuck, get up here. Don't sit down. It fucking hurts, dude. Pop. Right.
I'm right here.
Oh, man, that hurts. They can beat you. Dude, it hurts. Yeah. I said that was good. He's been training.
I haven't trained for shit. I see a bunch of 2-liter bottles over there.
Ah, see?
Landlord is prairie dog.
Yeah.
It's full with this trash can.
Dude, your stomach's so big. Fuck yeah. Oh, fucking almost made me throw up. Dude, you drink a lot more than we did.
Shit, I gotta I get passed out and beat. Oh!
Feels good on you.
Feels good. Burp, you fucker.
You're still beating him because you drink more than him.
Burp, you fucker. Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Smells like Diet Coke.
Oh, man.
So far,
Myron. Ah.
so far, operator, second. I'm last.
Oh, that hurts.
Well, I'm not last. I'm third.
You're a loser.
No,
Like
Look,
right at the line, he's a little bit
a
down.
little bit lower. Oh. Boom. Fuck, dude. That's what I felt that coming out. Come on, beating. Oh, let's see. I didn't need your something. Same size.
Burp, let it out.
It's okay. Burp.
You don't gotta prove anything.
Oh, fuck that, man.
Ooh, look at that. I beat him barely. Barely.
Oh, shit.
Barely. So I'm third. I'm not last anymore.
Operator,
First.
finished the most first. Spotter second.
I'm third. He's fourth.
Gunner's
Finally,
fourth.
he's last. He lost, but he held it in the longest.
Yeah, he held the longest,
But still,
but he drank the least.
drink less. But there you go. That's the soda
No burp.
no burp challenge. Sucks. It hurts.
Don't try this at home,
Don't
kids.
try it at home. Might pop.
Hurt your esophagus.
Don't try it at home. Don't try it at your friend's house. Don't try it at work. Don't try it anywhere.
But anyways, yeah. That's it.
That's it.
And we're gonna finish these off with the rest of our break, with the rest of the time that we have left on our break. And we'll see you guys soon. All right. Laters.
Later.
Like.
I'm the winner. Subscribe.
Share.
Oh yeah, don't forget to comment. More challenges. Comment. Right there, that area. Hey, you can't. That's cheating.
That was bad.